Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Do you want to know how to get audio through your headset only and not your TV? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Coming up next on YourSixStudios. So you are using a pair of headphones and you want to go ahead and make sure it comes through your headset and not your TV. Well, on the Xbox One, they actually make this very easy to do that. Let's go over to my Xbox and I'll show you how to change the settings. Alright, so on the home screen of my Xbox, let's go ahead and press the Xbox button, pop open the side menu, then go over to the right with R1 to the new Profile and System tab, then go down to Settings, select A on this. Now, under General, let's go over to the right and go down to Volume and Audio Output. Select A on this. So now that we're under the screen, over on the far right is Headset Audio. Now, if the middle part is all blacked out, you're going to want to switch this to Stereo Uncompressed. Now the middle part here will be able for you to edit and change around. So make sure you switch this on the right hand side. Now the second option down on the left hand side is the Party Chat Output. Put this option to headset. Now you may have it on headset and speakers. When you go ahead and do this, when you unplug your headset, it'll play through your speakers. If you want to go ahead and have that option in the future, go ahead and switch it back to this, but I'm going to show you just to play it through your headset only and not your speakers. So I'm going to select headset. Over on the right under speaker audio, let's go to HDMI audio. And we're going to turn off the HDMI audio so there is no sound going to our speakers whatsoever. We're going to get the game sound and we're going to get the party chat all into our headset, and nothing should be playing through the TV now. So it's very easy to just get the audio directly to your headset. So now that we went ahead and got rid of the audio through our speakers, an easy way to turn up the volume on our headset is opening the quick menu again by pressing the Xbox button. There is now a audio section on the quick menu where we can go ahead and quickly go to this and make sure our headset mic is on, and we can increase or decrease the volume on our headset very easily right here. And we can even increase the mic monitoring where we can hear ourselves speak into our microphone and it will play back in our headset just to make sure that our microphone is working. And we can change the headset slider right here if we want to go ahead and increase the sound for the game chat or the party chat depending on the need for the game. So it's very easy to just get the sound through your headset and not have it go through the speaker whatsoever. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox One tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.